before clamping, the transducer should be loose. The bolt should be very loose. You connect the red alligator clip to the plus and the black one to the ground. You should adjust the out diameter, the inner diameter, the number of piezos. Here we have 2 piezo ceramics. If you don't put the right numbers here, you are going to have bad results. The D33 constant charge, this is PZT8, is 245. For PZT4, that's your case, for cleaning transducers, it's around 350. But you should look on the specs of your material. And here is the compression target for ultrasonic cleaning transducer. Usually it should be 35 megapascals, but you can go up to 50 megapascals, no more than that. And the compression time, it's how fast you go. If you go faster than that, the equipment will warn you. And this is how do you put the dimensions. I will show it for you later. Okay, just start to clean up. When you press start, it shows you here the basic configuration. You have how many piezo ceramics and the dimensions, right? So you should keep using your torque meter like a protection, because if you have some problem with the screw or with the bolt, you need a higher torque. So you discover that with the torque meter. So it's not only a question of put the right pressure, but don't go too far with the torque. So you should keep using the torque meter with a high torque, just to protect your transducer. It should not be activated on a regular operation. Okay, so let's go. As I tighten the transducer, you start to have these squares fillet. When you reach the number 10, that's because you reach the targeted pressure, and the equipment will warn you. Okay, perfect. Here you have information about your speed. If you go too fast and you reach this maximum, the equipment will warn you to go slower. And here you have information about the input voltage here. If you go too high voltage here, you have an overload, but in your case it's very unlikely to happen. I would like to show you how you can also put the dimensions another way. You can choose typical size. In this case, instead of insert the out diameter and the inner diameter independently, you can set up both at once. Just select the typical dimensions for piezo ceramics. Probably in your case you use this kind of 38.1 cross 11.7 millimeters piezo ceramics. Okay.